Hello, welcome back to my channel. Today we're unboxing another Spark 143 model, and today it's the 2017 Riley Motorsports Mercedes AMG Daytona car. In 2017, Riley Motorsports took delivery of a brand new Mercedes AMG GT3 racing car. After running with the Viper for the last few years and winning the 2016 Petite Le Mans, the Viper's final race, it was a great move that Riley picked up this car because it's been known to be the German Viper. During the roar before the 24, the team worked on the car getting the setup, the balance, and the handling right. During the race, the car performed exceptionally well. They were battling up front all 24 hours in the GTD class. With 4 drivers on hand, that meant that each driver would have less fatigue during the race and be able to stay alert and not get into trouble, because the Rolex is known for having a massive amount of entries. And with it only being a 3.5-mile track, you're always running into traffic. Despite leading for most of the race, the team ended up having some bad luck with yellows towards the end that ended up causing them a 3rd place finish. Still on the podium, but not the winning class. With the team that ran a brand new race car for the Rolex 24, it's an amazing accomplishment that the team still secured a 3rd place finish. And here it is, the Riley Mercedes that finished 3rd in class at Rolex in 2017. If you notice, this car is special because this was a US release. It features a US box design. We got the American flag on the back that continues on the top. The sides are open, so we can just slide it out. And what's great about this is that this car is a limited run. They only made 300 pieces, and this is number 145 out of 300. And I can't believe I found this car. When I started collecting, I was going through the Spark website and was just scrolling page by page by page for everything they have listed on there. And this car came up, and I just assumed that, okay, it's out there, I can find it. But I didn't realize how hard it would be. I searched for a good while, and all of a sudden I found a listing that had 3 cars up. It was doing a lot of 3 sale, and this just happened to be in the mix. So I messaged him, asked him if he would split it up, and he kindly agreed, and it's in my collection. I don't know if I have ever seen anyone post another car like this up, so I don't know how rare it is. I would assume pretty rare just because of the limited run, but I haven't seen any up, so I don't know. The livery is pretty simple. You have a white car with a couple of green stripes on the side and the top, a few logos, and that's it. The white and the green carried over from the Viper a couple years ago, and I think Riley just carried this livery over just to help fans get used to A, the new car, and B, that's the Riley team running around the track. But man, this is such a cool car. This is my first Mercedes AMG to own, and it's just incredibly cool. The white, the clean white. I love the American flag on the bottom. The limited number is really cool. The car is really flawless, and it's just stout. I love how low and how stout it looks. The front is really aggressive with the grille. It looks like teeth. And man, this thing coming up on your rear bumper. The Mercedes look pretty intimidating when you see them out on track. This car was driven by 4 drivers, as I said earlier: Mario Farnbacher, Adam Christodoulou, Jerome Bleekemolen, and Ben Keating. This is another Ben Keating car in my collection. I'm not collecting all of them, but I am trying to collect all the Ben Keating GT cars. So here's another one in that lineup, and I think it looks awesome. The team would go on to race this car and have many more victories. So here it is, the 2017 Riley Mercedes that finished 3rd in class at the Rolex 24, a US limited release of only 300 cars. If you like this video, please give me a like and a follow. I've got a lot more Spark 143s to unbox, and I'll be uploading a new video every Friday. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.